Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Union Station Hotel here in St. Louis, Missouri. We got ourselves a KONE. And here it is. We got some KONE clips in this one. Well, I thought they'd replace the buttons here, but nope. Go down to one. Let's see if my key card actually works on this one. Oh well, it's a nice area. Nope. Yeah, it doesn't work on this one. 5, 4, 3. Let's go to 2 then. Look at that. Very nice hotel. This is the key card reader, which unfortunately my key card does not work on the elevators on this side of the building. Let's go to, I think we made them down here because that's the midway space. Hi. It's a nice one, actually. A little bit slow. And there goes the elevator. Slowly closing the door. And I guess that is going to be it for me.